I've arrived at the Contemporary at the California Grill. It's really loud in here. But behind me, I'm loving this. I think I'm gonna need a glass of wine and some sushi is what I'm here for. Let's see if I change my mind. So cool. This is located on the 15th floor of the Grand Floridian. Contemporary. And yeah, this is my first time eating here. So I'm at my table, and what's really cool is up here I can see the other three parks. There's Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and over here you can see Everest at Animal Kingdom. And then behind me, the other direction, is Magic Kingdom. There's the Contemporary over here and the Polynesian. So we've got a great view of everything. A cocktail has arrived. I got the blackberry lemonade and it is amazing. So I love that they even have the name on the napkin. And lots of wines to choose from. Their menu is seasonal, so it does change. But I'm going to try the spicy Kazan roll. But yeah, here's some of the other things that you can choose from. They did open up the blinds, and so the light in here is beautiful. Beautiful. There's my server, he's awesome. Still enjoying this gorgeous view. My dinner has arrived. This is a spicy Kazan roll, and it looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat this. So let me just say, this is the best sushi of my life. Like, it's so amazing. Life-changing even, almost, I might say. Seriously, so good. The scallops, it's amazing. Amazing. Alright, sushi is gone. And I think I'm gonna get dessert, see what they have, and in about an hour the fireworks will be starting. Actually, in about 45 minutes I'll be starting at Epcot, which I have a perfect view of. And then about 15 minutes later, they'll be starting at Magic Kingdom. So I'm excited to see what that's like from up here. These are the desserts. I am going to get the Houseman churro. But this sounds really good too. But I don't think I could eat it by myself. So. And then they have also teas, which that sounds really good too. And then it's just more of the wine list. So, yeah. The server recommended this, but yeah, that horchata ice cream is getting me. So, churros have arrived. I already tasted it. It's delicious. So good. And fireworks will be starting right out that window very soon. Stay tuned. Fireworks have started. Ooh, there went a big one.
Okay, then you just like you want to pop the other one, I think it makes sense.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally pulled into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes alive when we look a new adventure. There in your eyes, it's just beginning. Your heartbeat faster, reach out and find happily ever after. Find your happily ever after. Evening star, you shine bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Esto va a media hora, me deja poner la mesa. Niños, pueden ver de ahí, yo estaba ahí. Ya, esa es la mesa, sígame.
People are worth melting for. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door.
flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Okay, so let's talk California Grill. So worth it. A little pricey. I ate sushi and had dessert and a drink, so it wasn't too bad. But it was amazing. I'm so upset at myself for not trying it before. Fireworks from the rooftop was a spectacular view. If you're on the dining plan, it is 2 dining credits because it's a signature restaurant, but it will be a good use of those 2 dining credits. It was amazing. I will definitely be doing it again. So I hope you enjoyed watching me eat amazing food. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, a comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you can be with us on our next adventure. See you later.